Today I decided to make this recipe. The truth is, I don't really know the name of this dish, but I got this recipe from my husband. Even my husband don't know the name of this dish. You can imagine that. That's the funny part. But he told me his mother used to make this food while they were growing up. And his mom too did not tell them the name of this dish. So there is no particular name for this particular dish. But then I chose to call it intercontinental dish. The first thing you saw me put in that oil is a Irish potato. Then I added hot dog. I want the two of them to fry together. And then here they are done, and I'm going to take them out from the oil. Aside from the fact that this dish is really delicious, I also enjoy the fact that it is more of vegetables. I allowed the Irish potato and the hot dog to fry very well, fry to dry, so that it will give me that crunchy texture that I want. Once I'm done taking them out of the oil, I'm going to reduce the oil. As you can see, I've reduced it so that I can fry the other things. I'm going in with egg. This is egg, fresh pepper, and onion. Yes, so I've added my egg, and then I'm going to allow the egg to form. Once it's done forming, I'm going to add the fried Irish potato and hot dog that we fried earlier. So there, we introduce it, and then the next thing is to add our cabbage. These are the things that you need for this dish. Add my cabbage and then stir very well. I'm going to stir it very well and make sure everything comes together, and then I'll add my bell pepper, the red, yellow, and green pepper. After adding the bell peppers, the next thing I'm going in with is chopped carrots. You're going to slice your carrot in tiny pieces. Right now I'm adding my brown kidney and green beans. So once I'm done adding, I'm going to stir everything together. Stir it until everything comes together. At this point, I was already salivating. You see why I said this dish is called intercontinental dish. You can argue with your keyboard actually. This is all you have to do, and then the dish is ready. Food is ready. I'm dishing it out for myself. You guys, you need to taste this. I love the fact that everything is vegetable and it's very, very healthy. Very healthy diet. You need to taste it. I love the taste. I love the crunchy parts, the carrots, the crunchy carrots and everything. So that is all for my intercontinental dish. Tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this recipe? I promise you're going to love it. Like I said earlier, my husband taught me how to make this dish, and I've never seen any other person make this kind of dish. And I kind of wonder sometimes, does anyone else in the planet Earth knows about this recipe? If you know about it, please kindly let me know. Alright, thank you guys for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.